Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English at Home.
Good morning. How are you today, Helen?
I'm feeling great, John. I had a really nice and calm morning. What about you?
Same here. I woke up early, drank some water, and went for a short walk. It really helped me feel fresh.
That sounds lovely. I also started my day slowly. I opened the window, got some fresh air, and enjoyed the sunshine.
That's a perfect start to the day. Morning routines can really change how we feel for the rest of the day.
Exactly, and that's what we are going to talk about today. How to build a good and healthy morning routine.
Yes, and we will use simple English so you can learn and follow along easily.
Let's get started.
Tip number 1. Wake up early and calmly.
Try not to rush or check your phone immediately. Take a deep breath and give yourself a few quiet minutes.
Today is a good day. I feel ready for my day.
Tip number 2. Drink a glass of water.
After sleeping for many hours, your body needs water. It helps you feel fresh and awake.
Tip number 3. Get some sunlight. Open your window or go outside for a few minutes.
Yes, and this is also a good time to take vitamin D if your doctor recommends it.
Right. Sunlight and vitamin D help keep your body strong and healthy.
Tip number 4. Take care of your skin.
Before you go outside, don't forget to use sunscreen.
Even if it's cloudy, sunscreen protects your skin.
Tip number 5. Move your body.
You can do simple exercise like stretching, yoga, or a short walk.
Just 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Tip number 6. Eat a healthy breakfast.
You can eat something simple like fruit, eggs, yogurt, or toast.
A good breakfast gives you energy for the day.
Tip number 7. Plan your day.
Take a few minutes to think about what you need to do.
Ask yourself, what is my first task? Or, what is important today?
Tip number 8. Get out of the house.
Yes, go outside, get fresh air, and enjoy your morning.
You can go for a walk, visit a cafe, or just sit in a park.
Now let's listen to a simple example.
Okay.
I wake up at 7 a.m., stretch my body, and take a deep breath.
Then I drink water and open the window.
I take vitamin D and enjoy the sunlight.
After that, I use sunscreen and go for a short walk.
Then I eat breakfast and plan my day.
Simple and healthy.
Before we finish, let's review our tips. Wake up early and calmly.
Drink water.
Get sunlight and take vitamin D.
Use sunscreen.
Move your body.
Eat a healthy breakfast.
Plan your day.
And go outside.
Right. If you follow these steps, your mornings will feel much better.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.